Looking through the junk drawer, searching. Somewhere there's a lighter lurking to light my daughter's 14.
Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing fine. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, my name is Temi and you're welcome to Temi Best of Family. For my supporters, thank you for supporting baby girl, and for my new subscriber, you're welcome to Temi Best of Family. So in today's video, I'm going to prepare this easiest recipe food. Is that okay? Yeah, because it's so easy to prepare. This recipe is so easy and the outcome was, oh my god. So I'm trying to fry my onions. I'm preparing my stew for spaghetti. If you don't want to go with spaghetti, maybe with rice or something else, you can just skip this. Yeah, so I'll let it fry in a low heat, then I'll come back and add my blended tomato. I'm going to use this thin tomato, not that thick one. Yeah, so I'm going to add my chili powder. Oh, pepper. If you don't want the spices, skip this way. Okay, I'm trying to add my seasoning, my Maggi cube, my salt, and let's go to the main cocoa. So this is our plantain. I'm going to cut all this out. Then we are going to go to another level. Yeah. Like, hey, this was so delicious. Trust me, try it in this Christmas. Your family will love it so much. They're going to love it. So I'm trying to remove all the plantain from the shell. I don't know what to call it, Joapek. So I'm going to go on and cut it into two. Yeah, if you want to oven it, it's okay, but I'm going to use a fryer. Yeah, so I'm going to go on and prepare my sauce. This is my sauce. That is fresh pepper and onions, no tomatoes. So I'm going to add my seasoning, my Maggi, my salt, my curry powder. Then we'll come back. You can see that I've already sliced some, like I cut it with knife. So I'm going to add my sauce. Make sure you put on a glove because that is so pepper. So I'm going to mix everything together. I want all the pepper to enter inside. So straight to our air fryer. You can go on with your oven if you have oven. Yes. So I'm going to use this air fryer as I said earlier. So, and we are going to show ourselves the outcome later. As we are preparing that, let's go straight to our spaghetti. Oh, yummy. So I'm going to boil my spaghetti in a low heat. Because of time, I don't want the video to be long. And I'm going to add it into the stew we prepared earlier. Yeah. Oh my goodness, this food was everything. Like, it was so yummy, so delicious. Yeah, so I'm going to add my spaghetti, and I'm make sure that I let all the sauce go inside.
Looking through the junk drawer, searching. Somewhere there's a lighter lurking to light my daughter's 14 birthday candles. I came across a bag of knickknacks, orphaned screws, expired Tic Tacs, and a key from long ago. Is it from my house when I was...
You can see the outcome of our plantain. So that is our sauce at the back. I put mayonnaise here, and this is turkey, and I still do another sauce that is for gizzard. Okay guys, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. Ciao, bye.
Looking through the junk drawer, searching. Somewhere there's a lighter lurking to light my daughter's 14 birthday candles. I came